So in this lesson, we're going to learn how to sketch a sketch pattern. So we're going to learn the circular sketch pattern tool. So let's just go into the top plane and draw a circle like so. And if I select the circle right here, you'll see that there's an option called for construction. So I'm just going to make a construction circle for our reference. And if I draw a circle on this construction circle like so, and I give it a diameter of 1 inch, you'll see that I have a circle that's stuck on this construction circle. So when it comes to patterning the circle all around the circle, this construction circle, we go into a circular sketch pattern, and we want to make sure that when we click this tool, nothing is selected. So let's press escape until nothing is selected and click on circular sketch pattern. And in this first box right here, this is the direction in which we want the circular sketch pattern to go about. So we're going to select the circle, and we can also select equal spacing or non-equal spacing, so every 90 degrees. But let's also make our instances to be 10. And for the entities to pattern, let's clear this and select on our circle. So you'll see that the circle patterns around our construction circle. And the construction circle, because it's a construction circle, it will not show up when we go to extrude our sketch. So that's why it's construction, because it's just for construction, just for us to make relations to. And also, if you pattern when it's not fully defined, most likely after you finish your pattern, it will not be fully defined. So you want to make sure that your drawing is perfect before you pattern, or else you're going to be patterning your mistakes. In the instances to skip, if I just drop this down right here, if I click on this box, these purple dots will appear, and I can actually skip certain instances. And you'll see that I have the 7th one skipped, but just now it didn't show up. So if I click on it, or if I rotate the model slightly, it'll actually update, and it's just a bug or a mistake on SOLIDWORKS end. And also, if I want to clear my selections and have them come back, I can do that. So I'm just going to cancel that and cancel this instance. And again, it doesn't remove the circle, so I'm just going to rotate slightly, like so. And I'm going to click OK. Now let's say I've made a mistake and I want to go back and I want to edit my pattern. I'm just going to right click one of these circles, and you'll see that right here it'll say edit circular pattern. If I click on this, I can edit that pattern. So that's for circular patterns. If I go to features and I extrude this, and again if I select which circle I want to extrude in the selected contours, I can select on this one, and this one, and this one. And actually I'm just going to select all of them, and I'm just going to select yes. But if I want to exclude some of those, I can just clear my selections and select the ones that I want. So let's say I want to extrude just these right here. If I select OK, I can just extrude those. So to create the new linear sketch pattern, we're just going to create a new part. We're just going to go into sketch and select the top plane, and I'm just going to draw a circle right there. I can also give the circle a dimension, so make the diameter 1 inch. And also I can select the linear sketch pattern, and if I release the smart dimension tool and click on the linear sketch pattern, in the entities to pattern, click on this box and then click on the circle. Now I can have as many instances as I want right here. So if I want it to be 5, just click 5 and enter. And I can also increase the distance. You also notice that 5 includes the first circle. And also if I wanted to go in the y-axis, I can also make it more than one instance in the y-axis. And now I just have to increase my distance. And to go in the other direction, just click on this arrow right here to reverse the direction. And let's make it so that it's 2 inches apart. And then again, I can skip my instances like so by clicking on the box and clicking on these purple dots. So if I click on this one, I can just rotate and you'll see that it'll disappear. And once I click OK, I can also right click one of these patterns and edit the linear pattern to go back to this menu. So let's go and extrude all of these. So if I click yes, it'll extrude all of them. But if I want to extrude certain amount of circles, I can go to the selected contours, select this box, and just select the ones I want, like so. And that's how you can get a linear sketch pattern.